What is up, guys? In case you don't know, I am Banker from Custom Offsets and I am back to do another video here because, well, it was about time you get some knowledge from an actual truck guy instead of Junior and Fuller out here pretending that they don't drive family sedans every day. Yeah, anyway, this is yet another Truth About series, and this time around we will be talking about a company that is fairly new in the suspension world in the overall scheme of things, and who, in my opinion, isn't really talked about enough. They're just kind of there. Who is this? ReadyLIFT. If you have heard of ReadyLIFT, it's more than likely because they're all over in short course off-road racing, which we also love here in Wisconsin. Shout out to you guys at Crandon. They use this demanding style of racing to not only win championships with Jeremy McGrath, but also to aid in the discovery of new ways to improve their on-road products. So ReadyLIFT started simple enough as 6 dudes in a small machine shop out in Costa Mesa, California back in 2006. You know, they wanted something cooler than a leveling kit, but not as invasive as a full-on lift kit. Thus, the mid-level, or SST kits as they call them, were born. So the niche market of more than a level but not quite a lift with a 3.5-inch range is where ReadyLIFT really made their name and are still king of the hill to this day. I actually had a ReadyLIFT SST 3.5 on my Silverado before we went with the rough country. So they started out as the first company to offer forged leveling keys as opposed to the cast style everyone else was offering. And then as trucks transitioned into coil-over suspension, ReadyLIFT found their time to shine. Their SST kits give you the lifted look without cutting everything up and not having to worry about fitting in your garage. So with the success they achieved in the regular truck game, ReadyLIFT has since spread their SST magic into other segments like the new CUV market, where they offer 2-inch kits for things like the Subaru Crosstreks and Outbacks, Toyota RAV4, and the Honda Pilot. So ReadyLIFT is out here making dads feel just a little bit better about those economy family haulers that their wives allowed them to buy. ReadyLIFT has more recently gotten into the big lift segment as well, where they have 6 to 9-inch options for most popular full-size trucks like the Ford F-Series 150, 250, 350, the GM 1500 and 2500 trucks, Ram 2500s, and the Toyota Tundra, as you see behind me. Ram 1500 and Tacoma kits are currently in the works. And true to ReadyLIFT form, these kits not only provide lift, but are engineered to enhance the ride quality and drivability, which is why they offer an upgraded to one of the best shocks in the history of shocks, Bilsteins. And of course, what is a lift company if they don't have Jeep products? Well, you ladies are in luck because they also have 3-inch kits for the JKs in addition to a new 2.5-inch kit for the JL. And then for the more hardcore Jeep guys who have like Jeep tattoos, Brent, they also offer more trail-friendly kits that include coils, heavy-duty control arms, adjustable track bars, and premium shocks. Now, at its core, ReadyLIFT is still just a bunch of dudes in a machine shop in California, and it really shows in the SST kits, where they are the only mainstream lift company that is CNCing their strut spacers and lift blocks. Not to mention the fact that all of the engineering and manufacturing is done in the good old US of A at their current El Dorado Hills, California facility, where the majority of their 50+ employees are working 2 shifts to keep up with demand. For their bigger kits that require more than just a CNC and welder can handle, those are assembled and shipped from their Henderson, Nevada warehouse and corporate headquarters. So at the end of the day, ReadyLIFT is like that kid from school who was in like all of your classes and went to all the parties, but was never really like talked about and just did their own thing and kicked ass in a segment they just kind of made up one day, which is a little bit relatable. So what does the future hold for ReadyLIFT? They just intend to keep excelling at what they do best, making really reliable and sensible mid-lift kits. Now they'll be broadening their portfolio into the big kit market, so I mean, hey, could a 7-inch Subaru kit be in the works? Who knows? But they're going to keep winning SEMA New Product Awards and just keep doing what they do. So that is the truth about ReadyLIFT suspension. Be sure to comment below your thoughts and experiences with ReadyLIFT. Be sure to add your ReadyLIFT equipped truck to our gallery. And as always, give this video a like, subscribe to get up to our latest content. And until next time, I'm Banker with Custom Offsets. Peace.